Hey guys, what we have here is a kid's balance bike, and I got my kids right here. Now let me go ahead and show you guys what you get in the box. So inside the box, guys, once you open, those are all the parts. So as you can see, we have to assemble them. We have our instructions menu right here, and bolts and nuts, and then I took out all the parts for you guys. So we obviously have to put them together. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright guys, we are assembling the bike. As you can see, my little helper is helping me. So we have the instructions over here, so make sure you guys follow everything. At first she's some little tricky, so make sure you guys read everything, and it should be done in no time. You guys want to see something cool? Watch this. Look at the light. Yeah, he figured that one out. So anyways, give us some time, guys. Let's put this together so you guys could see what this look like. All right, guys, as you can see, we installed the bike balancer, and comes with a very nice fan, guys. As you can see, very cool. My kids absolutely love it. And then, excuse me, sir, he's too young to balance it on himself, so let me just go ahead and help him out. He's absolutely happy about this. Go ahead, sir. Wow. Yeah, I want to balance it. Let me show you guys something cool as well. Check out the light, as you can see. So yeah, those are very cool, guys. I wish it did comes with a pedal. Now keep in mind, this does not come with a pedal, and this is adjustable as well. You can take them out. They do give you a few different options to put them on as well. So yeah, he absolutely love it, guys. If you need one for your kids, I say go for it. Let me know how much your kids likes it.